Hello guys, welcome to Leo. Today I'm going to tell you how to use the verbs make and do. Well, we all know they're quite tricky and there are some exceptions, yes, but it's not always so hard to tell the difference between these two verbs. Let's take a look. We will use make when we talk about creating something which didn't exist before. We use this verb to focus more on the outcome. In other words, we can say there is something we create or produce. For example, make coffee, make friends, make an offer, make an excuse, or make mistake. And do. We will use this verb to talk about something which already exists, like completing a task or work or performing general activities. But we do not produce or create anything this time. These things that we use do to talk about are already existing, like do exercise, do homework, do the shopping, do a course, do your work. Let's do a small test, shall we? Which verb we need to use here? Do an exam, right? How about this one? Do the laundry again. And with this word, sound, creating something, right? We're gonna use make this time. Well, fill this gap. Any idea? Do a favor. Do a favor. How about this word? A list. Make a list, right? We create something which didn't exist before, the same rule again. And profit. Well, we will again use the same word, make profit. Talking about a plan. Well, we organize something, right? Again, it's the same thing we create, make a plan. And the last one, activity. Well, talking about general things, which verb do you think we need to use here? Do activity, right? Exactly. That's great. If you want to learn more tips like this, don't forget to subscribe.